Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to an amazing edition of Awesomecallstrading.com. Well, what can I tell you? Today, you know what? It's one of those days you just had to be in the room. Straight up. That's it. I mean, you had to be here because you had to witness incredibleness, you know? You had to witness a room that was so in tune. I mean, like today, all I can think of on my, I always do twice a day. I give you speeches, like momentum quotes. Today, this is the one that stood out. Coming together is the beginning. Staying together is a progress. But working together is fucking success. And that is what we are building in awesomecallstrading.com. Over a dozen traders have come in from all around and signed up monthlies and annuals already since the last 2 days. What does that tell you? What does that tell you? It's getting out there every day. It's like we are like a mushroom that keeps growing and growing and growing and growing. You know why? Because people are tired of losing money in the market. People are getting tired. They're getting frustrated. There's in their minds, there's got to be more to trading than to keep taking losses or not understanding. And that's the problem out there. A lot of people want to be spoon fed. A spoon fed trader is a guy that says he gets a beep from his phone or he's sitting in a chat room and the guy goes, buy this stock right now at $2.20. By the time you make your click, you're already at $3. And guess what? You lost your money because the stock got sold off. But in Awesome Calls, we want you to understand the move behind the move. We want you to know why the stock's going to play out the way it is. And that is the essence of day trading. That is the essence of becoming great. That is the essence of becoming a fucking leader in day trading, a teacher. Imagine 6 months, 2 years, 3 years in here, you could become a teacher to people. They will listen to you because why? You have all this energy, and um, you have all this energy, and you're constantly uh, what do you call it? What's the word I'm looking for? You have all this energy and you have all this uh, idea in your head, like, wow, imagine me, for instance, talking to a group of people, you know, it's just, they talk about stocks. My God, I would just go, you couldn't shut me up because you know what? I have such a passion for this. But the bottom line is, you need to know the move before why the stock is even in play. What's the stock going to do? Have you ever noticed a professional day trader shows his P&L and L and he goes, "Yeah, because I saw this and this," and you think to yourself, "Man, I want to be like that guy. I want to be that guy that's just every fucking day." Now imagine a guy that not only runs a room, owns a room, but then he puts a list together of 12 solid ideas, sometimes 13 or 14, and everything on his list hits right to the pinpoint where the stock's going to go and why. And then he gives you the reasons and then he educates you. Oh my God, where do I find him? That guy's going to probably be $1,000 a day to trade with because I can't afford a room like that. Really? Do you know what? This room is $6.75 a day. It's fucking nothing. I keep telling the great dark side and Janny I should up my fee to $3.97 a month. Yeah, but I lose probably quite a few people. Yeah, I would. But at least the people I have in here will be traders that will make more than $3.97 in a day. You know, but I keep it open because I believe I believe that you know if you keep the price within reason, and I do think I'm underpaid. You can ask any trader in the room. There's not one person that's go, yeah, it's not worth it. But then I think that's where you hear me when I get insulted when somebody goes, "You need to do a free." I'm sorry, what? You need to do a free day. Did you just tell me I need to do something? Because you need to go fuck yourself. Because I don't need to do shit, motherfucker. Because this is the room. Because if you can't afford $25, you don't need to talk to me. You need to go out on the sideline and go back to the penny stock rooms. All right. But if you have 25 bucks or $6 a day or $100 for a week, I will fucking teach you. I mean, here's a typical stock that I look at, right? I'm just chit chatting in the room and I tell everyone, you know what? Here's Toppy. You know who taught me this? Janny Moore. Been here 6 years. What did I tell you, everyone in the room? Traders, this is topping on Okada. I would take some short, put my stops up there, and slam it. See? Topping. This is a nothing trade. It's a 2-point trade, though, because I noticed topping. See, this isn't topping here. This is consolidation. Topping looks like that. See? See how, like that? Boom, 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 boom. Topping. And these are just intraday trades, but they're valuable to learn. Today was magnificent. There was one call that stood out above all the calls. And trust me, we had them all. But there's only one call that says Awesome Calls Trading. And that call was Tesla. Tesla was the bomb. The bomb. Some guy got up at 3:30 in the morning, prepared his chat room. I don't know who this dude was, but man, if I meet him, fuck. I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna just, I don't know what I'm gonna say to him. And he said in writing that Tesla was going to hit 225 and then bounce. He even said the stock's going to pop to 235. So let the short squeeze. Now you got to keep in mind the stock in pre-market was sitting at 232, I think it was 231. And this guy comes in and goes, I don't give a fuck what it's sitting at. This is going to 235 and we're flushing at 10 points and we're going to go long. Okay, if that's what you think. No, no, no. This is what I know. You ready? Ding, 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 ding. Bam! 235, 234.48. Now guess what? Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 225. Right there. Buyer came in, shorts covered, bam, slam it back up. 5 points, 15-point trade. Have a nice day. You want to see another one? This shit's gonna get unreal. I'm gonna unravel on you. Okay? Just sit back because this shit's unreal. All right, here's a stock right here. Crowd. Look at this one. You know what? Fuck that. Let's go to Okada. Look at this shit. Unreal. It's kind of an upgrade. 130 price target. I liked it, right? But before we can go long, we have to gap fill it. So you want to see where I told everyone buy the stock long? Ready? Ready? Look at that. You have to learn to gap fill these things first. But to be accurate, you have to know what the fuck to look for. I said long the stock at 103.50. I reiterated it twice. 103.50 comes, you long the motherfucker. You want to see it now? Have a nice day. 103.50, buyer came in, slammed it, boom. How about 12 points in front of your face? You want another one? Here's one. Crowd. This is the kind of shit we did today. There's nobody could compare to what we did today. No penny stock room, no copycat room. Nobody. Nobody. This is it. This is where it fucking happens. This is why we're going to be fucking, well, we are the largest chat room in the world because we have 15 rooms in here plus ours. So, anyway, so crowd. Look at crowd. Crowd was gapping up crazy, right? Crazy. They were talking about it pre-market and all that. But you know what I do? I want to short the motherfucker. I want to take that thing down and bleed it out to 57. When it hits 57, I want to take it to 62. You don't believe me? Look at this shit. Gap fill it first. And this is what I teach in the room. Crowd. Boom. Take it down to 57. Start scaling in 57.50. Boom. Go to $62. Have a nice day. I even tell you, I see 62 on it today. What's up? That's right. You're an Awesome Calls Trading. He tells you what he's going to see. I'm sorry. Do you need the 6 cents? Here's a penny. Okay, I missed it by 6 cents. Oh, fire me. Next. You want another one? Look at this TDD. You know I'm going to trade TDD in a volatile market. Come on. Wake the fuck up. Right? Here we go. This one, I had this coming down. Where do I sign for it? Just answer before you go after done. Oh, annual? I'll stop for you, Khalib. It's done. Go right here, you know, my notes or any of my links. Click. I have a client who's going to sign up annual live. Before I'm done, he'll probably tell me it's done. That's the room we're in. I love you, Khalib. Anyway, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and there it is. Just go to yearly options, click here, and then click on the bottom, and you're in. And then I refund back your 197. And if you're not, for you, if you haven't done the one-on-one, I'm giving that to you for free in lieu of the $500 TradeNet account or whatever I was going to do. So you decide if you want that or you want the 500. So you decide. All right. But either way. All right. Let me go back to work. So, all right. So the next one we did. So we did Okada. Okay. And then here's another one we did. ZS. ZS caught another upgrade like Crowd. But this one we needed a gap fill. But I love ZS because it had a huge price target of $73. So what I wanted to do on that one is I wanted to take the stock down. I wanted actually traders to kind of get in a little bit early, even though I knew it was going to come down and gap fill. But I didn't want to pass up this opportunity. And the reason is because it closed at 47, just under 47. So I didn't think 80 cents was going to be a big deal. And I knew with this price target, we are going to get a stock to go to $50. So I really wanted everyone to start playing this long. So let me show you ZS. Really a wonderful play. And I missed the $50 target by like 69 cents. But anyway, here's the 47 and under. Bottom curl. So here's 47.80. Add on the pullback, have a nice average, and then bam. I missed it by 67, 57, 67, 60, yeah, 69 cents. I do think it goes up over the next couple of days, but it was a great, great, great trade. Another one we did today was a stock called Fund. Now, Fund took out a conference today. They canceled a conference with FB Riley. I caught that this morning on radar, so I wanted everyone to short the stock at 62, add on any pop, and I said the stock would come down 2 points for a 2-point trade. And it was a quick money for everyone in the chat room. I was going to name it the top short idea, but it was just a basic, I called it a fun trade because it's called fun. So any pop at the open, I wanted a 2-point pullback. And it delivered really, really nice. Another one we did was you could do EA, Okada, TDD. I thought Shop was a great call, and Netflix. Now Netflix got pulled a little bit more because of the manufacturing news that came out, which was not a big deal. And you could see the stock rebounded. Again, I can't stress it enough. Netflix is a buying opportunity in the 250, 260s. So the market was pulling already, I believe, 100 points, and it accelerated. And then the manufacturing numbers came out, and it just really yanked it. We had a short going in at 268, 269 with room to add if it popped, and we just wanted a quick 5-point pull to 265 and under. And when the numbers came out, it actually pulled it to 260. I played this live in the room, and I bounced it twice. The second time paid me really well, but you know me, I always get out early. So Netflix turned out to be a nice winner, and it just came right back up. Another one was Shop. This one just is on a tear. I mean, bottom was in at 300 a couple days ago, and here's this baby was just beautiful. I wanted the stock to pull. I wanted to pop at the open, like normal. I think I was calling 313. I'll show it to you. Shop right here. Shop popped to 314 at the open to 317. So about a 315 area, and then I wanted to yank it to 302, and then I wanted to go long for 10 points. You got to know that Shop is going to be in play in our great room because we're the shit, and we love this stock. And so for us, are you ready? This is crazy. Watch this. Ding, 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 ding. 314, 315. Look at that. 315 a share, right? And then look at the pullback. Bam! It found a bottom right here. Typically, it'll bounce a little bit and then sell off a little bit more, and I was looking for that 302, but it stopped. See how it stopped? Market makers decided double bottom it. That was it. Have a nice day. And there's the double bottom right there. So you didn't need to wait for 302. And then just look at it. It just fucking, there's no words. I mean, how do you describe a 20-point run? That's crazy shit. A lot of things that we did too that I thought was kind of fun in the chat room. We called out. Let's see here. So we did. Let me just do my list: Shop, Netflix, Tesla, uh, TDD, Fun, Okada, ZS, and Crowd. Good, great. A couple little nightcappers ones that we did were kind of fun in the chat room. Also, I do want to give props to also the great Dark Side when Crowd hit this area right here at 57.25. He went long size, and I'm not. And if you know anything about Dark Side, when he sees something and he loves it, I mean, you might as well just it's done. So it's 20,000 buy. Anyway, so he called the stock and just walked it up to 61 a share. And he told everyone where to take profits and take it along the way. It was just a wonderful trade to watch him in action. It was awesome. He really guided traders today. I saw every exit he was taking money off, and that's how he does it. He goes size, he knows what he wants, and he just clicks, 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 and he teaches you. You know this stuff in his. He has a webinar that he does every Tuesday, and for advanced for traders of all over. So anyway, great trade there, boss. Um, but a couple little things I throw on there for traders. I gave Cliff. This is Cliff. I called for a 7.5 pop at the open and a scale in short. I wanted to go to 670. And the reason this hit the S&P 400, I believe. So I figured it'd pop and drop. So that was a great short with size. GoPro missed on earnings and guidance. I called for a 390 bottom. It hit 380. That was a great one. And OSTK. I called for a $9.90 long, and it popped back up to 1045. And I will play OSTK for the next couple of days on any pullbacks because it's easy money. You can make $300 to $400 on 1,000 shares. And there's Crowd, $62 a share. You see it? And you come over here, go to Crowd, and what did I say? Look how I wrote it. This stock will hit $62 a share. Imagine being a part of a group, a part of a room, a part of something fantastic and fun and exhilarating. Think about that. The guy tells you where to buy, and he tells you where it's going, and he tells you where to exit. Can't get any better than that. This is what day trading is all about. This is what makes successful day traders to be a part of. You just have to understand it. It's not going to happen overnight. Might take a couple weeks. But boy, when you get it, fuck, you're not going to be the same person anymore. Okay? So, all right, that's it. So hopefully Khalib signed up. I'll let you know tomorrow when I do the webinar if he did or not. But thank you, Khalib. Bad love and respect. This is my Twitter feed. I am AJ Trader 7 because it's my lucky number. And thank you for the great things, Barney. And probably the only trader out there that gets about 100 reviews a day. And thank you, Brian, so much. AJW, this is AJW Traders. His name is Brian. Thank you so much, brother, for just spending time with me and allowing me to talk to you. And I love you. I love you. And thank you for helping me to clarify things, to be a little bit more clear to everybody. Thank you, Hector. Thank you, Mark. By the way, Mark is an annual subscriber now. And welcome aboard, boss. And, thank you so much. And I don't know. I just have so much. I love you all. That's it. But that's today's webinar. So thank you for joining us. And